Hello friends, today we are going to discuss regarding the articles. In German, there are three articles, that is der, die, das. The meaning of der, die, das is the. You know that in English there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. So likewise in German also, definite article and indefinite article. The meaning of der, die, das is the, means there is also the meaning of the, is also the meaning of the, and das is also meaning of the. Now we will see briefly how we have to use der, die, das articles before the noun, before the adjectives. Okay, so let us start. German nouns can be masculine, feminine or neuter, and these genders affect the form of the articles and the adjectives we use. Masculine, der Mann; feminine, die Frau; neuter, das Kind. Okay, so see here, if the noun is masculine, then we have to use der. If the noun is feminine, then you have to use the article. If the noun is neuter, then we have to use das. Okay, for example, any noun ending in ung, shaft, kite or height will always be feminine, so it will go with the article the. For example, any noun ending in, see the noun which end with the ung, shaft, kite or height will always be feminine. So whatever the noun which ends with all these words, so it will always be a feminine, so it is go with the article the. Now see how ung, the Entscheidung; tat, the Universität; tion, sion, the explosion; Schaft, the Gesellschaft, society, the society; kite or height, means the word or the noun which ends with the height or kite will carries the article, so the Schönheit, the beauty. The noun ends with the ie, the Geography; the noun which ends with the ei, the Schlagerei, the fight; the Bäckerei. See, this noun ends with the ei, so when the noun ends with the ei, before that we have to use the article. Okay, now see, you are Natur, in, the Boxerin, the female boxer. Okay, the noun which ends with the ik, the Technisch; the noun ends with the t, the Vater; the nouns end with the ur, the culture; the noun with end ags, the garage. So the large majority of the noun which ends in e are feminine, so the Lampe. Okay, use of their article. Tagszeiten means when we are talking about the day times, for example Abend, Mittag, Vormittag, exception the Nacht. So whenever we are talking about the Tagszeiten, that time we have to use their article. Wochentag, Sieben, Dienstag, USA; Monat, Mars, USA, Jahreszeiten, der Frühling; alcoholic Getränke, when we are talking about the alcoholic Getränke, that time we have to use their article, their wine, exception beer. Folgenden Endungen sind nominative masculine. The noun ends with the ling, their Schmetterling; the noun ends with the er, their Lehrer. Okay, the noun ends with or, zum Beispiel, the Motor, the Hinduism, the Zoma. When we are talking about the waiter, the Zoma. ist, their policide, their generalist, ant, their consonant. Hmm? The word ends with the e. The noun ends with the ich. The tepish. The noun ends with the us. Their rhythms. The majority of the singular noun ending in er are masculine. The majority of the singular noun ending in er are masculine. So you have to keep in mind when we are talking about the masculine, that time when you will find any noun end with the er, that noun is a masculine. And when you find the word, the majority of the singular noun ending in er are masculine. Use of das article. Now, use of das article. We already discussed the feminine, masculine. Now, we will discuss the use of das article. When you use das article, let us see. Farben. When we are talking about any farb, any color, das grün. Metal. When we are talking about the metal, we use das article, das gold. Das publicum. The noun ends with the O, das Auto. The noun ends with the MENT, das Experiment. The noun ends with the NIS, das Erlaubnis. The noun ends with the TUM, Brauchnun. International voter. When we are talking about the international word, for example, zum Beispiel taxi, hotel, computer, that time you have to use das article. So whenever you will use any international word, that time you have to use das article. Okay. Now see, the noun ends with the CHEM, das Hauschen, the little house. The noun ends with LEIN, das Bucherian, the booklet, little book. UN, das Washroom. The large majority of the noun beginning with GER, neuter, so, das Gesicht, the law, das Gespräch, the conversation. Okay. Now see, again we will see briefly. I will repeat. When you have to use their article, das article, the article. Let us see once again. The article in German. The article. When we are talking about the male people or animal, that time we have to use their article. For example, their man, their professor, their Tier. Tier means animal. Many instrument. When we are talking about the instrument, many instrument thing ending with the ER or OR. Their computer, their motor. When we are talking about the days, month, season, most weather element, that time we have to use their Tag, their Freitag, their September, the winter, the Schnee, the Regen, the Nebel. Point on the compass, their Norden, their Süden, their Osten, their Kelsten. Makes name of the car. When we are talking about the car's name, that time we have to use their article. Their Volkswagen, their VW, their Porsche, their Toyota. When we are talking about the German river, that time we have to use their article. Most non-German river, their Mississippi, their Mekong, their Nile, their Amazon. Means when we are talking about the non-German river, that time we have to use their article. Okay. Most noun ending in N, the Garten, the Hafen, the Offen. Masculine noun ending in IGANT, LING, US. Their Honish, their Kafig, their Elephanta, their Lieutenant, their Ling, Lieutenant Ling, their Schweiling, their Idealism, their Zirkus, their communalism. Tagseite. When we are talking about the Tagseite, already we have discussed this. When we are talking about the Tagseite, for example, Abend, Mittag, Vormittag, exception the Nacht. That time we have to use the article. Ist, Polisit, Journalist, I ISMUS, Zumbaishville, Hinduism, alcoholic drink, wine, exception, beer. Now see, feminine. When we have to use the article. hmm? When we have to use the article. Now see, when we are talking about the female people or animal, the Frau, the Professorian, the Kuh, cow. Most German river. See, most German river, the Donau, the Mosel, the Elbe, the Wasser, the Oder. Most non-ending in E, the Hauser, the Carter, the Riser. Some exception, their Kaiser, their Name, their Alpha, their Biologie, their Kunde. Okay, so there are some exception. Feminine noun ending. See, the noun ends with the EI, the Bushrai, the Datei, Shaft, the Wissenschaft, the Freundschaft, Kitheit, the Schwierigkeit, the Dummheit, UNG, the Landisch, the Bedeutung, Tat, the Universität, the Elektrozito, ION, the Situation, the Religier, the Function, the Logic, the Ethic, the Symbolic, the Mechanic, the Mechanic. The noun ends with the LE, the philosophy, the biology, the Maggie. The noun ends with the ENZ, ANZ, the frequency, the tolerance, the dispersion. The noun ends with UR, the culture, the technique, the garage, the Krankheit, the Möglichkeit, the Tasche, the Übung. Okay, so these are the example of the article. Now, das article, neuter. When the noun is neuter, that time we have to use das article. Okay, for example, human babies and animal babies. When we are talking about the babies, human babies or animal babies, that time we have to use das article. Das Baby, das Kind, das Kalb, das Lamm. When we are talking about the metals, okay, when we are talking about the metals, that time we have to use das article. Das Gold, das Kaufer, das Silber. Word infinitive turn into noun. Das Leben, das Schwimmen. Collective with GE. Das Gebaut, das Gebringer. Noun ends diminutive suffix. Schön, Lem. Das Kindlings, das Mansion. Noun ending in ment or om. Das Experiment, das Museum, das Datum. Farben, the Grün, the Rot. When we are talking about the color, we have to use das article before the any color. The Grün, the Rot, the Gelbe, the Lila, the Schwarz, like this. Again metal. Metal already we have discussed. Das Gold, das Silber, das Auto. The noun ends with MENT, das Experiment. The noun ends with the Nis, das Erlaubnis. Das Brauchen. All international word, that is zum Beispiel taxi, hotel, computer. Okay, so in this way we have finished our Der die Das video. See, one thing I wanted to tell you, all of you, Der die Das, whenever you will learn any noun, any word in German, that time learn the any word, any noun, any adjective with the respective article. So it will be very easy for you in the future. Okay, thank you.